Good day, the mathematician. You are welcome once again to Mathematics Olympiad platform. So we go quickly to our last exercise, and we have about 3 questions under titration to solve. The first one is 4 superpower of 2, 4 raised to superpower of 2, and the second one is 5 raised to superpower of 2, and the third one is 3 raised to superpower of 3. Once again, 4 raised to superpower of 2, and 5 raised to superpower of 2, and 3 raised to superpower of 3. Now we go for the first question, which is 4 superpower of 2. Now it means we are to raise 4 in 2 places, that is 4 raised to power of 4. 4 in 2 places. We count the base, like I've already explained in the last class. So we count the base. We have 4 in 2 places. Now the superpower 2 means 4 in 2 places, and the base will raise the power of the second one, which means we have 4 raised to power 4. Now no more superpower now, because we are now solving it. So we have 4 raised to power of 4, and 4 raised to power of 4 means 4 in 4 places. It then follows that 4 raised to power of 4, 4 raised to power 4 equals 4 in 4 places. That is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. And that gives us 256. 256. That's the answer for the first question there. Yes, we go for the second question now, and that is 5 raised to superpower of 2. 5 raised to superpower of 2 means we have 5 in 2 places, the base and the power, which means we have 5 raised to power 5, and which means 5 in 5 places. That is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. That's 5 in 5 places. Five in 5 places will give us 3,125. That is, if you multiply them together, 5 times 5, that's 25. 25 times 5, 125. Then going like that, you get 3,125. That is 5 superpower of 2, 5 raised to superpower of 2, and as the answer for that, the second question. For question number 3, which is 3 raised to superpower of 3, and that means we have 3 in 3 places, that is the 3 raised to another 3, then raised to another 3, which means 3 raised to power of 3 raised to power of 3. Remember, we are now solving, so no more using superpower, we are using power now. 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 3. Now, 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 3 means we take the first power there, then raised to another power, that is 3 raised to power 3. When we take that, it will give us 3 into 3 places, that is 3 times 3 times another 3. That's 3 into 3 places, which will give us 27. It will give us 27. Then we will now take the base, which that 3 raised to 27. Then which means we have 3 raised to 27. 3 in 27 places. So we then have 3 in 27 places, that is 3 raised to power of 27 means 3 into 27 places. 3 into 27 places, that's 3 times 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 3, all like that until you get to 3 in 27 places. 3 into 27 places, that is 3 raised to power 27. Now if you multiply all the 3's together, you will get 7 trillion 625 billion 597,484,987. That is 3 into 27 places, 3 raised to power of 27. Now remember, we are saying power now, no more superpower, because we have already simplified it. 3 raised to power of 3 and 3 raised to superpower of 3, it means 3 raised to 3 in 3 places, that is 3 raised to power of 3 raised to another power of 3, and that gives us the 7 trillion 625 billion 597,484,987. So for our next class, we shall consider a question on salt, more of salt. So, and the question says, if root 2 plus root x plus root is equal to root 8, find the value of x. So you attempt it and we solve it together next class. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then click notification button for more of this type of videos, and then share with your friend and click like button as well. Thank you for being there. We appreciate you so much. Till next class.